Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is IOI Gold. So in this question, Chef recently participated in the IOI competition and scored points N out of 600 on the 2 days of competition. Just now the gold cutoff was released, which was G points, meaning everyone with at least G points gets a gold medal. Chef wants to know if he will get a gold or not. So we need to print yes if he will get a gold and no otherwise. And both n and g are integers which are given to us. Now in the input format, it contains a single line which contains two integers n and g. And in the output format, we need to print yes if chef will win a gold and no otherwise. So this is the first input. And so here, this n is greater than or equal to g, so we print a yes. In the second case, n is less than g, so we print a no. Now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the inputs of a and b or n and g and check if n is greater than or equal to g. If it is, we'll print a yes, otherwise we'll print a no. So now let's see the solution in Python. So we'll begin by taking an input of a and b using this, which is nothing but map of int comma input dot split. So what is it doing? So it will first of all take the input of the whole line as a string and dot split will split it with respect to the white spaces. And map will just map that list of strings into integers and map them inside a and b. Now, if a is greater than or equal to b, we'll print a yes, otherwise we'll print a no. And that's the whole solution. The time complexity is order of 1 or constant. Now, this is the solution in C++. We'll begin by taking an input of a and b. If a is greater than or equal to b, we'll print a yes, otherwise we'll print a no. And it's pretty much the whole solution. And I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.